Hi there guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks very much for joining us again today. Got a short video for you today that will show you how to make your own logo using Canva. Once you finish watching the video, there's a link in the description for the video itself that will take you straight to Canva, which you can utilize then for completely free. There's a pro version of Canva, but there's very few restrictions in the free version. You can create and edit a logo and then download it as an image file without a watermark or anything like that for completely free. So once you're done watching, like I said, click that link down below. So luckily for us, Canva is a template-based system. It uses templates and allows you to search the template. So if you just type in logo there, that'll then give you access to the 60,000 plus templates associated with the word logo, which you can browse. You can narrow down that search by selecting some of the categories at the top, as well as filtering it by using these on the left hand side here as well. So if you want a particular color, for example, you can see that there's 5,600 pink logos. So take some time, browse what's in there and have a look what's around. Once you find a logo which you like or which closest resembles the one that you like, that you want, single click it and then select customize this template. That'll then open the Canva editor, which allows you to make all the modifications that you can imagine. You can replace things, you can delete things, and you can add in things from scratch as well. So text, for example, when you select it, you see that as well as anything, the tools in the top appear for that object. So you've got font size and color, as well as some justification options. There's no image in this particular logo, but if you wanted to add some, you could go to elements here on the left hand side. That gives you access then to like a library of graphics that you could import by just clicking and dragging them across. You can resize those graphics as well as change the colors in the top left hand corner here then. So you can make some quite significant modifications to that image very quickly, very easy. So once you've created your logo, again, if I didn't mention, double click text to edit it, and then you can type that in and just replace text like that as well. Very easy, okay? So yeah, once you're happy with your logo and it looks the way you want it to, you can just simply then hit this share button in the top right hand corner. And then if you select download, that allows you to download the logo as a digital image file on whatever device you're using by clicking that little button there. That concludes the video tutorial. So like I said at the beginning, there's a link in the description for this video that will take you straight to Canva. If you've enjoyed the video and you want to see more content of this nature, give us a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you've got any suggestions for future videos or any questions or anything like that, leave them as comments down below. Thank you very much.